Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your iPhone screen flickering after an update. Don't worry, this is usually happens because of software glitch or display settings. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. Press volume off, then power button, then slide to power off, then back on again. This clears temporary box after updates. Step 2. Turn off auto brightness. Go to settings, then accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down and turn off auto brightness. Step 3. Disable True Tone. Go to settings, open accessibility, tap on display and text size, turn off reduce white point. Step 3. Disable True Tone. Go to settings, then display and brightness, turn off the True Tone. This obtain fixes screen blinking issue. Step 4. Check reduce white point. Open settings, then accessibility, then display and text size, turn off reduce white point. Step 5. Update apps and iOS. Open settings, then general, then software update. Install any pending updates. Apple obtain release fix after update box. Step 6. Reset display settings. Go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset, choose reset all settings. This won't delete your data. If screen still flickers, this issue could be hardware related. Contact Apple support or visit an authorized service center. That's it. Your iPhone screen flickering problem should now be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.